Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to jazz up some store-bought cheese ravioli. When I ask my son what he wants for dinner, more often than not he tells me, "Mom, I want ravioli," and to me that just gets kind of boring. So I've created a recipe that brings in some great fresh ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is cook the ravioli. So you're just going to open up the package and drop it into a pot of boiling water and cook it to the package directions, which is usually about 5 minutes. While the ravioli is cooking, we're going to make the really simple sauce. So you're going to melt 6 tablespoons of butter in a skillet, and you're going to start heating that. You're going to add some summer fresh cherry tomatoes, and you're going to cook those together for about 7 minutes, just until the tomatoes begin to wilt a little bit and the butter begins to brown. And when it gets brown, it gets nutty and sweet and delicious. After the tomatoes have wilted and the butter has browned a little bit, we're going to pull that off the stove and we're going to stir in the freshly chopped basil. Then we're going to go ahead and drain the cooked ravioli, and we're ready to put everything together. So you're going to put your ravioli in a serving dish and toss it with the brown butter and the tomatoes, and you're going to sprinkle everything with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper, and we're ready to serve. This is a great recipe to use up fresh summer tomatoes, and it's a really quick and easy dinner recipe. For this recipe and more, visit recipegirl.com.